Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, may I ask a question? Question?
Yes, yes. What your question?
Recién el amor a primera vez, honesto pasar por aquí otra vez. Recién el amor a primera vez, honesto
Sir,
pasar.
kanang kuan ba? You can speak English because I'm here in Visaya. I'm Filipino.
By the way, hablo un poco por favor de español. What is your name?
Welcome to Philippines, sir.
Buenos días. By the way, I'm looking for a restaurante. Can you please tell me where?
Kaysano.
Oh, no.
Kuan, kanang
Excuse me,
over there.
excuse me, do you speak English?
Oh, yeah. I speak English.
Yeah.
Konti.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, where can I go?
Doon, kanang English ang kolo.
There's a bridge there. You go up there.
There's a bridge there. Over there.
Okay, maybe how many minutes there?
Mga 3 minutes.
No. Do you speak English? Because I'm sorry, I'm
Mga
Espanol.
2 minutes. Dili. Mga kuan lagi. You can go there in 2 minutes. Round.
Okay, because you're so very kind, I have something for you. Can I give you a tip? Because you're so very helpful. No, money, I give money.
Cheap.
Oh,
Money.
okay.
Oh.
Okay, can I give you a tip?
Oh, sige, okay.
Okay.
You can give me money.
By the way, I'm Espanol. Buenos días, señorito. What is your name? Lance, okay. Because you're so very kind, I have something for you, okay? Because you're so very helpful, okay?
Sige, oh. Pagkakay ba, pagkaon.
This is for your tip.
1K? Oh.
No, this is a small amount, okay? Share to others, okay?
Ay, yo, di ko
Sir.
matag. I'm solo. I'm solo.
By the way, share to your friends, okay?
Oh, okay.
Tagasa rin mo di ay. Oy, gaplang. Nyara be.
You go there after.
Ha?
Yata ko ang ano.
Unsay trabaho ni Moron bay?
Wala ko trabaho. Kuan ko. Local life artist ko sa Juan Talisa Sipo.
So kuan ka kanang
Mo pisaya dai.
Bay. Dool mo bay, dool. Dool.
Hirapan.
So unsay trabaho nimo bay?
Local life artist ako.
Rap artist ka.
Padong pa ko mga play trabaho.
Unsa gawa sa rap artist, unsa pa may talent nimo?
O kuan ko apil ako ng mga battle.
Rapato. Why sample dia, sample?
Tabangan ng kuan.
Sample be. Ge. Sample be. Ge, sample.
Kung nagpadas akong kalagot, sa glagot kay kunimo. Palamunin daw ko sa amuha. Asa di kumukaon sa inyo.